Are we ready?
Yes, we're ready. Hi everyone. It's day 6.
Did you guys have a good sleep last night?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you have good dreams?
The playground. Yeah.
Again, you keep going to the playground in your dream.
Yeah. I was riding a unicorn in my dream.
You were riding a unicorn in your dreams. That's pretty cool.
And now I ride a horse.
Oh, and you rode a horse. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I ride a horse.
Are we ready to open up our advent calendars?
Yeah!
First up, we have Abraham's Hot Wheels advent calendar. The number we are looking for is number
6. It's easy to spot.
Okay.
There.
Let's have a look where number 6 is.
Here.
Here, and you were right, Abraham. Do you want to go ahead and open it?
Yeah. I need some help.
Okay, I'll get you started.
No. Wow, thank you.
Let's see what you got for today.
It's
A reindeer?
yeah, there's a reindeer.
Oh, that's super cool. Can we have a look?
Yes.
Okay. Day 6. This is what Abraham got from his Hot Wheels advent calendar. It is a reindeer with a necklace on it. I wonder if it's Rudolph. Do you know who Rudolph is? He's a reindeer, and what color is his nose? Red, that's right.
Yeah, the red.
Ava, are you ready to open up your advent calendar?
Yes.
Okay. So here is Ava's Smiggle advent calendar. What number are we looking for again, Ava?
6.
6. There, you found it.
Yeah.
Wow, okay, let's go.
Yes. I can see it. And then, look, wait, I can't open it.
Would you like some help?
Yeah. Look, there's a creeper tree and a koala. They're playing the creeper tree, Mommy. What is this now?
What did you get?
It's a sharpener.
A sharpener. Can we have a look?
Yeah. Inside of the bag.
This is what Ava got for day 6 from her Smiggle advent calendar. It is a purple sharpener. So there's one for the normal size pencil and one for the bigger size pencil. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you know what's really cool about your pencil sharpener?
Yeah.
Is that when you are sharpening your pencil, all the shavings of hair go into a little box to collect, so you don't get anything on the floor. Are you tired already, Mr. Abraham? Are we happy with our gifts from our advent calendars?
Yes.
Yeah? Are we going to have an amazing day?
Yes.
Yeah? All right. And are we going to be good?
Yes.
Are we going to eat our lunch?
Yes.
Drink heaps of water?
Yes.
And be nice to our friends?
Yes.
And our teachers?
Yes.
All right. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Abraham?
Hi, Mommy.
So I got a phone call from Santa and he said he has a mission for you.
Mission for us?
Yes. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to make some reindeer pom-pom decorations. Are you up for it?
Yeah!
Okay. So here we go. So here are some reindeer. So here is the reindeer Christmas decoration that you need to make. So this is the materials that they're going to get, and this is what it needs to look like. So, are you ready to get started?
Yeah, my any help. Mission accomplished.
Okay, let's have a look at your reindeer pom-poms. Wow, amazing job. So this is Ava's reindeer pom-pom with her 2 eyes and her nose and her mouth and her ears and her antlers and eyebrows. And this is Abraham's one. Looking super cool, man.
Yeah.
All right, shall we hang it on the
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree?
I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it It's gonna be a little bit in the Christmas tree.
Okay, and where are you going to put yours, Abraham?
I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it. There. Yeah. It's too big to me.
Put it somewhere close where you can reach it, Abraham.
I did it. I did it, Mom.
Well done. All right, so this is where Ava put her reindeer decoration, and then this is where Abraham put his one. Well done, guys. High five. High five. High five each other.
Yeah.
High five again. Well done. Awesome work. Yay. Hi, Eva.
Hey, Mom.
Did you have a good day today?
Yeah.
Did you go to school today?
Yeah.
Did you have fun at school today?
Yeah.
Did you eat your lunch?
Yeah.
Did you play with your friends?
Yeah.
Did you do some schoolwork
Yeah.
and some reading?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Are we ready to go to bed?
Yeah. That's day 6. Come back for day 7 tomorrow. Bye.